It's called Valentine. It's by Carol Ann Duffy. Not a red rose or a satin heart, I give you an onion. It is a moon wrapped in brown paper. It promises light, like the careful undressing of love. Here. It will blind you with tears like a lover. It will make your reflection a wobbling photo of grief. I am trying to be truthful, not a cute card or a kissogram. I give you an onion. Its fierce kiss will stay on your lips, possessive and faithful as we are, for as long as we are. Take it. Its platinum loops shrink to a wedding ring, if you like. Lethal. The scent will cling to your fingers, cling to your knife. That was Valentine by Carol Ann Duffy.
By Corwyn Allen. It's called Candy Store Blues. How it is like this. When it's just sex all by itself, for only the sake of sex, it's okay. But just okay. It's great for as long as it lasts, but when it's done, it's done. Chew the gum until the flavor's gone, then spit it out, start again with someone new. But when there's love involved, a real connection, then there's before, during, after, rinse, repeat, because love is an everlasting gobstopper. It was nothing. Perhaps it was a little something when we first dated for a dance after weeks of talks about not being into short-circuit lovemaking. Maybe it was only my fancy to take it for more, but after all being said, it seemed intrinsic. After listening to you saying you tried, while watching you show up with changing entourage, while hearing your words on flavors gone, perhaps I should have taken a closer look beforehand. Mostly, I should make things unsaid, undone, see my heart not altered, my love not alienated. Obviously, it is impossible to take anything back because it was nothing.
I think the next one we'll have is this one, which is by Your Voice by Tessa McGillivary. Right. You speak, and your voice in warm waves washes over me, and I float, my body cradled in your deep silky tones, rising and falling with your every breath. I'm a pirate, set adrift on an ocean, capsized by this raging storm that whispers my name. Oh, sweet siren, wrap me in your melody's silky chords, bind me motionless and send me sinking beneath this service, passionately plunging, hopelessly breathless, deliciously drowning. And that was Your Voice by Tessa McGillivary. Thank you very much for that, Tessa.
We are moving. We are moving. We are going up the road to where we'll sit in different places. We are moving. We are packing. We are moaning. We know nothing good can come of being elsewhere. Yes, I heard you. Yes, it's dreadful. We are moving. I agree. I really do. They will not listen. It's not their nature. We are moving. No discussion. Consultation? You are joking. We are going. They say Tuesday, maybe Wednesday. It'll be a week at least before we even know where staples go. We are moving. Guys are coming to do the lifting. We are smiling, silver lining. Maybe Thursday we are moving up the road. They do things different. It's an ending. We're descending into just the sort of chaos we've been warning. No equipment, fuck hot desking. Yes, I heard you. Yes, I know it will not work, and I will miss you too, but we are moving. He's a pirate, a poet, a king. When he reads, we all dance and sing. Forget what you do, you know it's true. He's a pirate, a poet, a king. He's a pirate, a poet, a cat. He wears a blooming great hat on his head when in bed, so the story said. He's a pirate, a poet, a cat. He's a pirate, a poet, a king. We all laugh when he starts to sing and dance in the air when he's over there, this pirate, this poet, this king. He's a pirate, a poet, a cat. You know he'll never get fat, doing this and that, wearing a hat, as a pirate, a poet, a cat. He's a pirate, a poet, a king. On his finger he wears a great ring, the seal of a crown. When he is down, he's a pirate, a poet, a king.
She's a pirate, a poet, a queen. You know you're on the wrong team when she's got your nuts and plays with your foots. She's a pirate, a poet, a queen. She's a pirate, a poet, a cat. When she sits with you on the mat, she'll play with your head because of something you said. She's a pirate, a poet, a cat. She's a pirate, a poet, a queen. And no, it's not a great dream to scheme when she's there, because she'll have you bare. She's a pirate, a poet, a queen. She's a pirate, a poet, a cat, laid on her back in a sack. When she starts to purr, get out of there. She's a pirate, a poet, a cat. She's a pirate, a poet, a queen, the best there's ever been. I've seen a few, but there's none like you. You're a pirate, a poet, a queen.
Again is a big word, slowly and quickly again. Again men rejoice on the radio that they are on the right road and talk of cyclical nature of time. A proper road goes in circles. Even I recognize young skin on the beach, and AC Tuniskapa is sung loudly. Men on the radio speak of the connection of everything to everything else ringingly. One says, butterfly effect, I lift my wings. A good sleep gives you cyclical time, for after such a sleep you think you're revived, and again I flutter my wing. The good men on the radio start coughing. I flap my wings more amply, and a wind comes up. The men cough, wheezing. The airwaves revolt. Ships sink, swimmers drown. The final sleep comes stormy and gray. Let's think of a word that never was before, was just now, and isn't, and now isn't anymore. The butterfly of no return.
Yeah. Thank you. Right, what have we got now? I think now we have right, this is Voices. I've listened to you far too long, for centuries the same old song. You'd still drag Galilei to Inquisition, force him to refrain from his position, hold the Montgolfiers bound, tack the rights to the ground. I have a dream like others had before. Now come and shoot me for not being your whore. Your fears in my eyes, tears in your eyes say you pity me, and I don't know why. Just because I take the road less travelled by. My road is not yours, and yours not mine. Sometimes they cross, sometimes they align. Then let us hold hands, run, laugh and cry together, feel the sun and the rain and the grass. But never, never tell me, because it's a lie. Never tell me I cannot fly. And that was by Morgue McMillan.